别再卡，难民权利要保障。
Though Taiwan may not make headlines when it comes to refugee issues, there are a few dozen people who fled here for safety. But activists say what they often find is a far cry from the land of human rights and dignity they were expecting. On World Refugee Day, they've gathered with officials, like this member of the government ethics watchdog, who say this can't go on.
一个难民在边没身份、没居留证，他能不能工作？不行，所以他真的是非常惨。 最后呢，都是这个 AI 还有立新基金会在帮忙。那帮忙的结果呢，因为他比如说他生病，也没有健保卡。
Despite years of debate, Taiwan doesn't have a law on refugees to say who counts as one and what their rights are. In 2023, the government announced special year-long residence permits allowing work, study, and access to health care. It says no one applied. But those gathered here say at least 20 did. People from places like Myanmar and Southeast Asia, torn by years of civil war.
我认识的很多申请人，距离提出申请已经等待超过2年多，还没有收到任何答复。
And they say some have endured harsh treatment for trying to make ends meet while waiting in limbo. One refugee from Myanmar among them.
他仅仅是因为在台湾为了生存，然后工作，然后就被科处上万元的罚款，然后被处以强制驱逐。 其实当事人在被查处的当下，他就已经提出了证明，说我已经有申请庇护了，但仍然被移民署上铐带到勤务的处所，而且被拘禁了数小时。那期间他是不能喝水、不能吃东西。
Amnesty International says polls on attitudes towards refugees show widespread support for legal status and protections.
在2022年的这个民调里面，就有过半数的台湾人其实支持的，甚至即使是中国人、是香港人，他们也都觉得应该要，如果他真的符合难民的定义，他就应该要获得保护。那去年其实国际特赦组织台湾分会，我们也有再做了一次2年后的民调，有60%以上的台湾人民也是支持。
In all, 15 NGOs are pushing to get the government to pass a law on the rights of refugees. In the interim, they also want a review of the temporary residency program and existing laws, and assurances that anti-discrimination laws and protections for children also apply to refugees. They have moral support from refugee hotspots who believe Taiwan can do better.
We urgently need the Taiwanese government to pass a comprehensive refugee act, one that guarantees the right to seek asylum, provides a fair and transparent process, and to protect the basic right of those who come here seeking refuge. I speak today not only as a Palestinian, but as a friend who wants to see Taiwan grow up as a place of compassion, justice, and leadership in human rights.
These NGOs hope their pressure will help make a difference and carve out a space in the political discourse for an issue they say can't wait any longer. Ryan Wu and John Van Trieste for TaiwanPlus.